What's up, guerreros? How you guys doing? I had a lot of messages that day that I put that video of me, handing the ticket to my son to pay for our meal. And like I asked you guys, what would you guys do? And I know a lot of you guys go through that. Me, like I said, back then, I was raised different, and so was my wife. But the thing about it is that we always want to give in our kids better, the life that we didn't have. And to me, I came to realize that, yeah, that's all fine and dandy, but we got to teach them responsibility. We got to teach them that they have to, value the money that they get, that they work for, and make them understand that, what life's all about. My message there was like, it's hard for a lot of people, especially a lot of mothers. They want to comfort their kids, their sons. Me, I was raised in a manner which, at 11 years old, I was used to go help my uncles go sweep they used to let me go sweep over there where they used to work at this upholstery shop in Bassett. They used to upholster sofas and couches. And I used to go sweep in the weekends, so I earned my money. I was always ambitious. Ever since I was a little kid, I always wanted things. I always wanted to fucking make my money. Like I said, at 12 years old, my mom could co-sign. I was buying my own clothes. I was buying my own stuff. She didn't have to worry about me no more. So me, I know that worked for me, that, hard love, that tough love. I'm trying to give that to my kids. But, it becomes an argument with your lady. Why? Because they always want to back them up sometimes. They always want to, give them more leadway, So it's always been a little issue with me. And I'm going to be realistic. That is one of the problems, because I'm trying to raise them a different way, in a manner that, I was pretty much raised differently when it came to hard work, earn your money, sacrifice. That's what I'm trying to teach them, and sometimes, it becomes a issue because, like I said, they want to comfort them, or they want to just be more lenient towards them. But like I said, me, I'm going to teach my kids what helped me. And like I said, my mom was, strict with me, where, we weren't fucking just getting whatever we want, or just seeking fucking pleasure. She made me understand that you had to go work for your money and sacrifice, so that's one of the issues that a lot of parents are out there having. And sometimes that becomes an argument within each other. Why? Because I know that we want to give our kids what we didn't have, when we were little, but it's not about that. We got to teach them what we weren't taught, so they could go after and work for their fucking money and find the value of money. It's not just, easy come and fucking, you don't have to fucking worry about how to get that money. So like I was saying, for all you parents out there, like I said, I'm a true believer that, you got to teach your kids and make them understand that, hey, they got to earn theirs. And I'm going to show my kids that, hey, you know what? You got to work hard. And you got to make sure that, you value your money and understand that, hey, this is life. This is what it's all about. This is the real world, You got to pay, You want to fucking go out there, have nice things. You want to fucking drive nice cars, go to restaurants. You got to make sure that, hey, you work hard for it. A lot of times when you give them everything, it kind of fucking ends up fucking biting you in the ass, because everything easy that was obtained, they didn't fucking see the value, the sacrifice. So we got to always teach them and make them understand that, hey, you know what, we got to work for ours. And everything here is earned, whether it's financial, whether it's relationships, whether it's fucking fitness. Everything in this life is earned. So, like I said, this program here helped me a lot understand that, we have to give them the rite of passage, and we have to give the kids a rite of passage, because a lot of kids out there, they don't have that. They don't have that role model. They don't have that fucking person to look after and teach them correct how to go and obtain money, success, or just go after your goals. Too many people are leading them on the wrong path, and we got to teach them to become better people and work hard, work hard for the things that they want in life. So let's fucking run it.